broader social
We today have an Indian Foreign Service officer to talk to us.
ब्लेम गेम। हमारा ज़्यादातर काम जो है, हम क्या कहते हैं, कोई काम करने को ये आपने किया नहीं हो, आई वाज सो बिजी।
Very fundamental level, expecting that each one of you will understand and participate in the discussion.
You know, I belong to Odisha, so I know about SOA, and I can say that SOA has immensely contributed in the field of education in these last 25 years.
But Lord Krishna in Bhagavad Gita chapter say, I am Yogeshwara, I am the God of Yoga.
Held on every second and fourth Saturday of each month in Google Meet at 4:30 p.m. for 1 hour. And you will be very happy to know that Sikhsha'O'Anusandhan Fortnightly academic lecture is an instant success and very much appreciated by the viewers. We have got viewers not only from the universities but from outside the universities, and there are many persons, students, deans, principals, faculties, all of them.
Lectures, at the end of the lecture there are question answer, and it is a program for 2 hours or so. So it started at 11, it finished at 1, and there is some small launch package. In New Delhi it is usually around 4 p.m. to 7 p.m., 3 hours, and it is a public lecture which is well advertised in the newspaper and electronic media, that AIMS lecture program. So when I came here, I thought we should have some lecture program for our student and faculty and public.